Greetings! Just a quick video to say, hey, my next Patreon video is up. This month it is another one of my Skillshare classes that I'm transferring over to Patreon, so if you missed out on that, now is a good time to check this one out. This is for my box bracelet, the reversible box bracelet. I have these pictures all over my social media, and it was very requested, so I figured I would put this up. It is currently up now for anyone in the Muser level, which is just $1 a month. So, I wanted to make these accessible for all y'all, and this year I'm just basically doing all of my Skillshare classes and moving them over to Patreon. So if there were some fantastical designs that you wanted to know how to make, now's a good time to subscribe. The link is down below, patreon.com/odins.musings. I hope to see you there.